Hello guys, welcome back with me Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn how to use Live Portrait for multiple images. The first thing to do is to get the nodes. This time it is the nodes from Shadow CZ007. Now, when everything installed, download the workflow. Also, you need Mixlab nodes from Shadow CZ007. Link on the description. Install it using Manager. If you experience an error like this, you might already have Mixlab nodes installed. In this case, use Manager to update it. I also remind you to download the model. Link on the model is put on the description. Remember that you need to put the model in ComfyUI/models/live portrait. Just download the folder from Google Drive as is. Don't change the structure. If you already have a model by using other nodes, I suggest to let it be because it used different structure. Now let's work with the workflow. Upload 3 videos. Make sure it has a face and expression. Upload the image. Now run it. Make sure all 3 pictures has the same video segment frame. The workflow will combine the video per 2 video. So you could edit the workflow by adding more join video if you have more character, or reducing it if you have less character. The same also apply for the images. Here are the results. Here are another example. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.